Okay, this video we're going to walk down, this is called Rua de Felicidade, and it's basically where, I'll explain the street in a minute, it's basically where, it's like kind of a prostitution street a long time ago, and we're going to be talking about foreigners are not going to be allowed to go to Hong Kong until September, so we'll talk all about that in a minute, and other immigration stuff. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are on Rua de Felicidade, and basically this street kind of has a lot of history to it, and we're going to be talking about that, and we're also going to be talking about the issue with foreigners that aren't going to be able to travel to Hong Kong in the very near future.
I'll pass here. Okay, cool. Perfect. Excellent. Thank you.
If you can see these windows right here, these places used to be kind of like a geisha thing, so you could like, it's like, you know, in Japan they have geisha where they're kind of prostitutes, but they also are musicians and talented and do singing and all kinds of stuff. Like this whole street had a whole street of that kind of stuff. So this is called Rua de Felicidade, and we're going to be walking down this street, and we're going to be this is called we're going to be getting into the Hong Kong topic in a minute, but this one is Nati Nures, and they got Indonesian food, and we're going to keep on going down. Okay, let me see what else. Some of these are closed, some of them are open, so we're just going to walk on down, and we're just going to explore this topic a little bit. In the daytime they're more open, but at the moment they're not so much. Let me just see. This one's, even that's closed. Seems to be a lot of huh. It's a nice street right there. I don't know why there's so many foreigners out tonight. Anyways, I just heard the news in Hong Kong. There's we were kind of all hoping here that they're going to be doing a travel bubble pretty soon, and that travel bubble may or may not exist, but it's not going to be existing for foreigners. So originally we were thinking, you know, if you're inside this travel bubble of Macau, Guangdong, and Hong Kong, you could go back and forth. But it looks like they're going to not allow. See, this is called Julius. Sometimes I've heard this guy here play music sometimes. But yeah, they're gonna ban foreigners from Hong Kong entirely, which kind of doesn't make any sense to me. It's really beautiful right there. Because, you know, if you're a foreigner and you live here, so I don't know. But yeah, they were saying until September 7 because there's like 7 or 8 cases. But basically there's foreigners banned from Hong Kong and Macau, and they're kind of stuck wherever they were at. So like if you're, a lot of us live over here. Many of us. What's this one? Oh. Dragon, Portuguese restaurant. So, kind of beautiful. So yeah, I was thinking I might be able to go to, there's another border that's open for Chinese people to come into Macau, but we can't go to China, we can't go to Hong Kong, and they're going to keep banning, and it's like there's hardly any cases. They just had, I guess there was like 6 or 7 new transmissions in Hong Kong, so they decided that they would ban all foreigners from coming into Hong Kong because of it. It's I mean, I can understand you don't want direct flights from London or from you know, somewhere like that, but it's kind of like, how do you describe that? It's kind of like saying that I don't know. Anyways, it's pretty frustrating. So yeah, there's like 6 or 7 new cases, local transmissions in Hong Kong, and actually, you know, for me, I was thinking, man, they need to open up that border and give us a little bit of release, because we had no cases for 6 or 7 weeks. So they could have allowed people to go back and forth when there was no cases. And then now that they have cases, they're going to close up indefinitely for you know, who knows how long. So anyways, it's kind of frustrating. These are really nice streets right here. So anyways, we're going to keep exploring a little bit more, but should we go back up that street again? Yeah, anyways, it's frustrating. I think I'll end it right there. But yeah, this is called Rua de Felicidade. And it's crossed by Travessa de Felicidade. Felicidade is happiness. Street of happiness, because it used to create a lot of happiness for people when they would come visit Macau and go up and down the street. So it's kind of interesting. Yeah. Okay.